Okay, you've been sued by a debt collector, either in Alabama small claims, Alabama district court, Alabama circuit court. You have a trial coming up and you're wondering, how do I testify? What do I do if I don't know the answer to a question? Here's the bottom line. You tell the truth. Everything we talk about is going to be based on this. You tell the truth. What that means is if this is the truth, we do not exaggerate it and we do not minimize it. Another way of looking at this is if you don't know the answer, then what's the only truthful answer? I don't know. So let me give you some examples. So the debt collector says to you, isn't it true that you use this credit card at least 10 times? And you know you used it more than 10 and you say, nah, I don't think I did that. Well, that would be untrue. Or if you only used it once and the question is, use this card 10 times, you go, yep, well now you're exaggerating it. So that would not be correct. You want to be very truthful. But here's where it really comes in. They'll ask you questions you have no way of knowing the answer to. So they'll say, isn't it true that Jefferson Capital, Midland Funding, LVMV Funding, Portfolio Recovery, Midland Funding, whoever it is, that we bought this debt from Chase or Capital One or whoever? How would you know that? How would you possibly know that they bought the debt? So they're asking you something you have no personal knowledge of. The rules of court require that you only answer questions that you have personal knowledge of. So how do you know that Midland went out there and bought this debt, or Jefferson Capital or Velocity or whoever it is? You don't know that. Have they shown you all the paperwork? I don't mean the first page of just the bill of sale, but the actual agreement, the contract where they bought the debt. Because if they have, you will be the first person to see it. They won't even give their lawyers that information. They think it's some top secret. Without that information and a bunch of other information, how would you know? Well, you don't. So when they say, isn't it true that we bought this debt? I don't know. How can you testify something you don't know about? If I say to you right now, swear under oath, I am wearing black socks, right? Well, how would you know? You go, well, lawyers typically do. Now, of course, I'm not in a typical suit right now. I'm dressed a little more comfortably. So maybe you're going, well, it could be in black socks, might be in white socks. Maybe I'm not wearing any socks at all. You don't know. So for you to say, yes, I swear that's the truth, you don't know. Now, the truth of the matter is I'm not wearing black socks. So if you swore I was wearing black socks, you lied under oath. You go, well, I didn't know. Well, if you don't know, don't say it. Just say, I don't know. And see, it doesn't matter if the lawyer yells at you, isn't it true? See, you can yell at me all I want. If I don't know the answer, I don't know the answer. Okay? If the lawyer goes, you have to be the dumbest person I've ever examined in a courtroom before. You know that we bought this debt. You know what? They can insult me all they want. But if I don't know the answer, the truth is, I don't know. If they ask you about something that you don't remember, well, what's the truthful answer? Truthful answer is, I don't remember. So, on the third day of fourth grade class, in your second class of the day, who sat two people behind you? Well, I mean, there is an answer, assuming you weren't on the back two rows. There is an answer, but I'm assuming you don't remember. If you do remember, I'm really impressed. So you don't remember. So you go, I don't remember. So the credit card that they're suing you on, this debt buyer, they claim to have bought it. They go, well, didn't you use this credit card on May the 15th, 2014 for $74 at Walmart? Well, if you remember, say yes. If you know you didn't do that, say no. And if you would be like most of us and go, I have no idea, that's what you say. I don't know. I don't remember. That's the truthful answer. Remember, everything comes back to tell the truth. That means we don't exaggerate it, we don't minimize it, we don't guess. Okay, so if the lawyer goes, do you really think I would ask you this question if the answer wasn't yes? I have no idea. See, you uphold your obligation because you have raised your hand, swear or affirm, tell the truth. Well, do that. Don't guess. Don't make stuff up. I've seen people, they're in these lawsuits and maybe a lawyer's representing them, maybe they're representing themselves, and I'm sitting in courtroom waiting for my case and I'm watching this, and the collection lawyer goes, now you know we bought this debt. Well, I'm not sure. Do you think we'd bring this lawsuit if we didn't buy the debt? You know we bought the debt. Yeah, I guess so. Boom, you just admitted it. They now own the debt. They don't have to prove it. Okay? And so don't guess, don't speculate, don't make stuff up, don't do any of that to help yourself. Certainly don't do any of that to hurt yourself. When I see people go, well, I guess they must own the debt because they sued me. No, you're making stuff up and you're hurting yourself doing it. Don't do that. Tell the truth. Now, obviously, if you have a lawyer representing you, your lawyer will help you with this. If we represent you, we'll certainly help you. But if you're doing this on your own, remember, tell the truth. And we have some other resources we can share with you if you're handling one of these cases on your own. Or if maybe you're wondering, should I handle it on my own? Should I hire a lawyer? Just give us a call, 205-879-2447 or alabamaconsumer.com. We'll be glad to help you think through your options. Should you go this way or that way? What should you do? We'll help you figure all that out. So thanks for watching this video and look forward to talking to you soon. Bye-bye.